Here in Chapter 10, we start with the idea of character testing. Now, we have seen some of this already as we've gone through in chapters essentially 3 and 4, but also some of you, I know, have come across the idea of character testing in some of your, I'm going to call it outside research. So when you go try to find at least a portion of an answer to a question that you've been having about, well, what can I do, for enter Y or N to continue? I have seen this as a solution pop up a couple of times. So before I forget, this is on page 558 before we go any farther. For this, you are going to need the C-type library header to be included. So it is right here at the top. We need CC type because this is taking with it the C string library, or at least portions of it that you are going to need to be able to do these. Now, I'm not going to beat this stuff to death because I think that that would make it far more complex than it really truly genuinely is. But on table 10-1, you can see the character testing functions that are built into the CC type library. So is alpha, it does exactly what it sounds like. It returns true if the argument is a letter of the alphabet, returns 0 if it is a non-letter. Woohoo! That's pretty easy, right? So if we are looking for, characters in a password to make sure that they, or characters in a, rather not a password, but in a username, because we want characters but not, or we want alpha characters but not special characters. This is something that we could use for that. If it is a digit or an alphabet number, AL num, so that's alphabet and number, that's the second one we've got here. Is digit, that's the other one I was looking for. Returns true if it is 0 through 9. Is lower, if it's a lowercase. You get the idea. These are fantastic. These are self-explanatory, and they are absolutely necessary in your toolkit of what can you do that's already built into C that will help you working with strings. This table is a damn fine start to that.